Hello everyone, and welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. It's Charles Goodger here. I'd like to tell you about my masterclass, which is using action songs to present new language. Why is this of possible interest to you? Because the relationship between music and language is really interesting. And if we can find a way of presenting new language through song, through music, and also through movement, music and mime, rhythm and rhyme, maybe we have a very effective teaching tool, one that the students will appreciate and enjoy and, most importantly, learn from. So do come along and have a look at it. There are a lot of tips there about using songs, writing action songs as well if you're creative, and how we can use this method to get the best possible results for our children.